Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
Tell me, really, what made you decide to do this?
I did not want to die at sea.
So the plan is for us to go out there in 6 weeks. We will take over command of the boat. We're in Vancouver. Is that fun?
Reese is like...
We are in lovely Vancouver before heading to Hawaii to put our diving skills to the test.
We went to Stanley Park, another beautiful location.
Oh yeah. What's amazing about Vancouver is you leave the city and immediately it's like you're in the like the forest.
I know.
But Stanley Park's right between like the mountains and the city, right before the big bridge. It's beautiful there.
There was a marina in there. We walked along it. We're trying to decide if we want to take the boat all the way up the coast to Alaska, and I think it definitely is in our future.
Yeah, maybe after hurricane season next year, maybe we'll cross over and come up here.
Today we decided to just wake up and kind of wing it. So we're headed to Whistler, and we just stopped at Shannon Falls, which is probably the largest falls I've ever seen.
Yeah, for sure.
And the way we kind of found out about it was we were just reading news here, and we found out that a YouTube channel, pretty well known, Sunday Fun Days, they were in their late 20s to mid 30s. They hiked it, and unfortunately one of them slipped, and then they all kind of fell in and
went over the falls.
Yeah, they went over the falls. So we decided to go check it out and see what that was all about. Happy we did, but a very sad story. All right, what do we have, an hour before we get to Whistler?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
This destination was definitely on our bucket list. We were so happy to get the chance to visit. To be honest, we were a little surprised. The beauty that was surrounding us was like nothing we had ever seen before. Yep, add another hard landing to the books. That was us discovering that auto land doesn't work if the downward facing sensors are off. Let's head to Hawaii.
All right, got some fresh pineapple here.
Did you already eat some?
No, I tried a banana things. But you keep telling me how good the pineapple is here.
Yeah, try it. Yummy?
It is. It's almost like softer.
Yeah, it's fresh.
It's really yummy. Let me hold it, you take a bite. Do you like it? Driving along in Maui, and what are we, like along the North Shore? We're trying to find this blowhole, and we're pretty hungry, but there's really nothing to eat, and we're looking for like a local spot, and there's a girl here selling fresh pineapple, $5 for this guy. So I found this really remote location. It's kind of down the beaten path, not your normal beach access, but it's a nude beach. So super stoked about that. Hawaii, actually you can get like nude anywhere, they say, but this is the official nude beach. So I'm ready to take it off and hop in the freaking water. Let's go get naked.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth,
beautiful Hawaii. We chose to come here due to the scuba diving on the west coast, and we thought we may not sail over this way, so we really wanted to see what the marine life was, well, over here. This was where we did our first drift dive and our first wreck dive. I think that the drift dive around Black Rock is my favorite memory of diving here. The marine life there was incredible. The visibility, kind of a little bit of anxiety I got because I knew I couldn't turn around. I had to complete it, but a huge step for me in scuba diving.
Okay, here we go. This was never on my bucket list, but hey, now it will be. Scuba diving in Hawaii? Yes, please.
And then we did the wreck dive, which was really cool. We saw white tip reef sharks. Jeremiah actually kind of sunk down and said hi to them, and I was like, no way. I was good with that.
We'll carve our names on here.
Yeah, right. That looks like it would be hard.
That's new.
It's funny.
Things are clay.
Yeah.
Volcano.
Let's go see the sights. Driving around this island was really cool. Massive cliffs, lovely scenery, and great little spots to stop, like this little fruit stand along the north shore.
Oh, cash and butter. You like it?
I like it.
It's so amazing. Do they taste different?
Try it. Feel it on.
Yeah. Alright, let's
Ooh, yeah.
Pretty good? Like that, huh?
It is good.
Tastes the
First
same?
tree ripe banana, huh?
We ended up renting a Jeep kind of on the fly this morning, and we just went exploring. We ended up stopping by a blowhole, which was really incredible to see. That I've never ever experienced that, and Reese got to experience it. Kind of scary around the cliffs, but still really enjoyable and quite the workout. And then we ended up passing by a fresh pineapple area where she was selling like local fresh pineapple, and we all got to try it, which was really good. And Reese absolutely loved it, and he normally doesn't like pineapple, so that really tells you how good it was.
Nice job, dude! Yeah!
Good job.
That's sweet.
Next time on the Lazy Geckos.
But now it's time to head back to the boat. It'll just be like, oh, hot.
See, honey?
And later this season,
There you go.
Oh, there he is.
I want to catch
This is our welcome aboard good karma.
No kidding.
Instead of 3 geckos, we now have 4.
That's right. I'm gonna call you the Iceman.
I don't like you because you're dangerous. That's right. I am dangerous.
our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.